Howdy everyone, this is Kevin at Riverbend Nature Center hanging out next to these little purple flowers that are blooming. These are called Winecups. Now Winecups are creatively named because if you take a look at them, they're purple and they're shaped like a little wine glass when they're in full bloom. And if you'd like some alternate names for these, some people refer to them as poppy mallows or the cowboy rose, which is an awfully Texas name for these wildflowers. These grow in open shrublands, usually in full sun, and they can grow in partial shade, but they really enjoy their heat, and they like dry, rocky, sandy, or well-drained soils. They can tolerate a bit of moisture, but they really enjoy being kept kind of dry. These will bloom in the spring, as most of our wildflowers do, and they'll continue going into the summer. And they have vibrant, showy blooms on them. You can see all these ones. There's a really good, solid purple color. They can be anywhere from a deep pink to kind of a purple. They're usually not very tall. Most of them are going to be around 5 to 6 inches tall, like you see on these ones here. Sometimes they can reach up to a foot tall. Sometimes they're a little shorter. It just kind of depends on how they're growing or the variety of wine cup that it is. And they are just great for gardeners. If you need something that's really colorful and drought resistant, you can't go wrong with wildflowers like wine cups here. And it's not just, for gardeners who like them. Bees and butterflies and other pollinators really enjoy coming into these blooms. Once pollinated, the flower will close up and form this weird little fruit that's kind of green. And the flower and the fruit is poisonous. You don't want to go around eating those. If you want to know though, the tubers that are on these plants, the roots, are actually edible and supposedly taste a lot like sweet potatoes. However, if you dig them up, it'll end up killing that plant. And honestly, it's probably just best to let the flowers bloom so everyone can appreciate their beauty. I don't know if you can see it, but there's actually a little bee just flew out of that flower. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed learning about wine cups, and I'll have to catch y'all next time.